Alright, so right now, right? We just pretty much got the service that we're gonna get, like he just like paid for it and whatnot, so but let's see how freaking fun this is.
Okay, so right now it's about to go down.
Oh, we're getting wet.
Alright.
Bro, pretty much, nigga, you recording all up in that nigga's face.
I don't care. This is real life, baby. This is the legend of Zig and Sox. Get used to it, because we're going to be doing some rambunctious stuff all the freaking time.
All the
so
freaking
get ready.
time. All the freaking time. You know what I mean?
Here we are in the middle of a freaking car wash right now.
Getting stupid.
We're just waiting for this guy to get ahead and do his thing with the power washer. And you know what I'm saying? Like, let's see.
I'm already cracking the hell up, bro. I just love stupid stuff like this.
Alright. So park your car in neutral and let go of the steering wheel, because this is about to be one hell of a ride.
Oh, we're moving.
Put your seat.
Yo, we're moving, son. Hold on, nigga.
Oh, shit. We're going to the car wash, baby.
Yo, look at this shit. Oh, snap, son.
Oh, it's hot as hell in
Yeah,
here, boy.
Yo, you gonna be back. Oh, no.
No, open the window.
Oh, snap. Yo, open the window, bro. I can't see. Oh, snap. Hey. Look at me, we're under attack! Like they're just brushing us.
There's a whole bunch of white things hitting my car. I can't control it. I see the line at the end of the tunnel. Oh, we're going through the wind tunnel right now. What's the tornado?
So that is how we do a car wash.
Ladies and gentlemen, we just did a car wash Zig and Sox style.